medicine is a very long journey. It takes 6 years of MBBS and the 3 years of PG. So I'd like to, start new. I always wanted to do this actually, from a female perspective. The colleges and the medicine is really nice there and very affordable and hospitable to Indian students. So if you're doing good, if you think you did your best, then that's it. Sometimes it's okay to move on, and you should just prepare well and stay focused, stay healthy. Hi, myself, I'm Jogudipti Sudha. I'm from Hyderabad, Telangana, and I'm going to Perm State Medical University, Russia. I wouldn't say it was the reason to start with, but I think somehow in the journey it became a very core part of the reason. I had a brother, like emphasis on the had, so yeah, that's the reason. I kind of want to treat people like children, people, and all. Give them some nice like last nice days, and so they can hear a few nice words from doctors on their last days. So they're not alone and scared on their very last days. In the middle of it, my brother passed away, so I couldn't really focus on NEET again. So I decided I cannot go through this NEET phase all again. It's a restart, and I think it's done. And medicine is a very long journey. It takes 6 years of MBBS and the 3 years of PG. So I'd like to start new. Perm State Medical University, it's been like 106 years since it's established. So I thought it's a very nice university, very good one for medicine to study. I have heard that the professors in there were very kind and really nice to Indian students, like my friend said. And the university is nice, medicine is good, and students, the academics are pretty nice. I always wanted to do this actually, from a female perspective. Parents are kind of worried that, you're just 18 and 19 and all. But, so I'm feeling really great about this. Well, I know that some days are going to be pretty bad, but, I think that's a part of life. There will be bad days, there will be good days. So I'm feeling a little bit of both now. Mummy was really worried, since I am the only child now. She wasn't really ready to let me go. I'm going to be very healthy. I'm going to eat, I'm going to sleep on time, I'm going to do all these things to make sure that I stay healthy. I just have a message for my future self. Couple of years from now, when we look back, everything, all of these stressed out and all the worried days going to be, just a fleeting memory. You're just gonna smile and move on. So just don't be over worried about anything. Stay focused, do things in the right way, but just always look for tomorrow. I know yesterday is really beautiful, but tomorrow is gonna be more pretty if you focus on it.